I don't know about you, but nature gets me excited. Nature gets me hyped up. Can you hear it in my voice? Nature gets me going. Nature puts me in a good mood. Woo! Welcome to another video. Today we are outside in beautiful nature. We are going to do some exercises, we're going to do some grounding, and we're just going to have some good fun. All right, so now we are just warming up, stretching the body, stretching out. See, exercise should be about fun. For those of us who have trouble or find it difficult to stay motivated when it comes to exercising, try thinking of it as having fun. Is there something you like to do? Do you like to dance? Do you like to sing? Oh, hey birdie. Then it would be good to see if you can incorporate. The bird is agreeing with me. I'm getting chills. I'm getting goosebumps. If you can incorporate something that you love into exercising, then that would be a great thing. If you love to dance, then try incorporating some dance moves. If you love to sing, try to sing while you are moving your body. The key is just to keep moving that body. Move your body. Get the blood flowing. Get the heart rate up. Get the heart pumping. Okay? Okay, so that was good. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what kind of feel we have in these muscles, in these biceps. We're going to try to do some pull-ups. So this is how we keep these arms strong and toned. Ready? Here we go. 1. Whew, not bad. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Okay, we're gonna do some dips. Some dips, some dips, some dips. All right, here we go. Start off by rolling up. Swing and hold it and hold it. So this right here, guys, is a free gym. There's no need to pay for a gym membership unless you need like a personal trainer or something. There's no need for that. This is a community park and it has all the equipment that you could actually need, basic equipment that could get you started on your fitness journey. Tuck your core in. Whew. So now we are embarking on a simple walk in nature. Simple walk. Walking is one of the most wholesome, beneficial forms of exercising. Walking exercises every single muscle in your body. Walking. So easy. Simple. Doesn't cost you a thing, right? So just get up and move. Just do something. Do something. It's a beautiful day out. I'm in my park, my neighborhood park, and I cannot even begin to tell you how amazing it feels to be outside. The sun hitting on my skin, all of these trees around me. You see the water back there? Isn't that beautiful? Isn't it? Priceless. We have some of the simple things in life that we take for granted every day. Nature is one of them that we take for granted, and we spend so much time locked up in our houses, in our apartments, in our homes, and we fail to just go outside, right? Look at, so yeah, beautiful day, the sun hitting on my skin and my face. God, it is almost orgasmic. I'm telling you, you have to experience this for yourself. Let me turn the camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know about you, but I'm excited about nature. Good morning, good morning. I don't know about you, but nature gets me excited. Nature gets me hyped up. Can you hear it in my voice? Nature gets me going. Nature puts me in a good mood. Woo! I'm just in a good mood. I left home and I was feeling okay, but I wasn't feeling this good. 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 Look at, okay, I want to show you something. I want to show you something. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that lady right there. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Get it, mama. Get it. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Good job. Good job. You're welcome. Oh, yeah. Keep trying. I love it. That is amazing. People are out here getting it on. People are out here getting in tune with nature. People are out here getting in tune with your health. Look at this right here. Look at this right here. Look at this right here. Ooh, is this an iguana? Yes, it sure is. It sure is. It sure is. It's a beautiful thing. Look at this guy right here. Beautiful. 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 It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning, people. Get up and get out of your houses. Get up and get out. If you're feeling down, if you're feeling depressed, this may very well be something that you need to consider. This may very well be something that you need to do. Get up and get out. Get up and get out of your houses. Get up and get your asses outside. Alrighty, I'm telling you, girl. Get up and get your asses in nature. Get up and get out of that house. Listen, I get it. I know that money is important. We all need money. We all need to grind. We all need things that we need to, take care of in our lives. Without money, there's hardly much we could do as it relates to advancing our lives. However, please allow me to say that no matter how much money you have, no matter how many things, how many houses and cars and friends and this and that, it doesn't matter how much you have, how much material things you have. If this right here, if your body and your mind is out of order, you are fucked. You are screwed. So listen to me. You better get yourself in order. You better get yourself in order and take care of yourself. Take care of your health. Go for a walk. Go for a walk outside. Get up from around the TV. Get up from out of the couch. Get up from out of the bed. Start walking slowly. If this is not something that you're used to, start slow. The only person you are competing with, or should be in any competition with, is yourself, right? There is no excuse. I repeat, there's no excuse. So, I'm gonna give you a little joke. This walk is so good. I'm feeling it so much. I forgot my weight, my dumbbell, my 10-pound weight by the equipment, the park equipment. So I'm just strutting on over there to see if I could find it. I remember I left a guy working out over there. I'm really hoping I can go back and find it. So we're gonna see. Nature has my back. Nature has my back. The universe has my back. And I'm gonna find that dumbbell. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna find it just where I left it. You watch and you'll see. You're gonna be my witness this morning that the universe reveals itself, right? The universe will back you up if it sees that you are putting in the effort, if it sees that you are putting in the work, right? So I'm gonna show you this morning. I'm gonna show you this morning. Let me show you this morning what I'm talking about when I say you gotta get in tune. You gotta stay in tune with nature. You gotta get in tune. All right, so here we go. Here is the moment of truth. See the guy over there still working out. Still working out. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. Where did I leave it? Oh, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. I was like, oh my God. See? I found it. It's right where I left it. Thank you. Have a good day. I'm telling you guys, looky here. I found my dumbbell. I'm telling you, the universe reveals its secret. The guy was like, that? He was like, that? Because at first, I didn't see it. And he just pointed to it and showed it to me. My baby right here. My baby right here, guys. Get out in nature. Get in tune with nature, guys. Get in tune. Get in tune. Okay, so I'm heading out now to do some other things that I have to do today. Later on, I'm going to prepare my meal and show y'all what I'm having, what fuel I'm putting into this engine right here. And until next time, I wish you all good health, peace, love, and blessings. And most of all, get your asses in nature. Get your asses outside in nature. Peace, y'all.